Well, the weather's going to be nice again today. The high should be 72. Right now it's 68 degrees. What I'm doing is heading west here on Route 66. And I'm going to go to a town called Lyons, Lyons. Explaining how I do the editing of 360 video, I'm going to just restrict it to, like I said, to the GoPro Max 2 and using the Power Director 365 video editor. I'll point out that you can just do a Google search on YouTube actually if you need to find out how to do it on the video editor that you use. So if you look at your Coors can, that mountain might look familiar on the can, of course. It's Long's Peak. Golden, Colorado, where they brew Coors beer, is maybe about 30 miles south of here along the front range here of the mountains. So if I were to head south up here, about 35 miles I'd be in Golden. Speaking about the Coors Brewery, Colorado has the second largest number of breweries in the United States. California is the only one that has more. It's really windy today, so that sorry for the wind blast in my microphone. Yeah, I don't want to follow this sanding truck. Lyons, 1 mile, Estes Park 21. Things look a little slow today, this Monday, in this tourist town of Lyons. I'll have to look up the population of this town and post it up here on the right side, upper part of the monitor. Okay, doing the loop of downtown Lyons, and that's all there is to see. So I appreciate it if you've watched my video up to this point. And I'm really hoping you have a great weekend. A great week, that is. It's Monday. Time for another cup of coffee. Well, over and out. Bye.